Okay, this was a really interesting evolution of the diamond sun body. I was actually told about this last fall, and I was unsure of how it functioned. It just was shown to me, and now I understand what it is. There are classes about this in the mastery school. It was shown to me as fractal stacking, and what I saw was the diamond sun body multiplying, okay, out. And I thought it was just a way to use the field to create a larger presence. It was multi-dimensional, but what it actually is as you activate your diamond sun, and that stabilizes at a personal level, then you activate a planetary diamond sun. Okay, and so that functions at a planetary level. So you have your personal one, and then you have a planetary field. And once that fully stabilizes, then you have a galactic diamond sun, and that can influence the galactic field. Then you have a universal diamond sun, a multi-universal, and a cosmic diamond sun. So you have 6 nested diamond sun fields. They all work independently of one another. It's not one huge massive field that's influencing everything all at once. So you can pull back your energy and just work with the personal diamond sun. You can expand out and just work with cosmic diamond sun. You can work at just a planetary level, okay? So they all function a little bit differently, okay? This takes a while to activate all of them. I would say if you've already had the diamond sun activated in a past life, you should be able to, from the point of personal activation to the point of cosmic, it would be anywhere from 2 to 5 years to activate, okay? So this is a really interesting synchronicity. I wanted to share this with you guys. So the fractal stacking of the diamond sun, its individual diamond sun fields carries the 144 lattice. These fields nest inside one another in geometric order through 6 sequential levels: personal, planetary, galactic, universal, and multi-universal. And cosmic. Each field activates only after the previous one has fully stabilized. The sequence process is called fractal stacking. So that's what I just went through. I'm just reading it to make sure I get to all the points, okay? Cosmic activation and the 864 node threshold, okay? So once I realized this, I went through and did the math to find the synchronicities of this, because I felt that there was a very strong correlation between the 6 nested fields and the number 864 and the diamond sun frequency. So I went through that and looked at what that could signal, what the importance of that was, okay? So the structure was already... Okay, we already went through that. If the structure was already fully activated in past life, the remaining 5 fields typically complete within 2 to 3 years after the personal diamond sun reactivates. If this is a first-time activation, there is no fixed timeline, and the process may extend across lifetimes. When the activation reaches the cosmic level, 6 complete diamond sun fields come online, okay? And so at that level, we have 864 nodes, okay? Because there's 6 144 point Merkabas, okay? The solar diameter correspondence. So this is really interesting. So it is symbolic of a correct cosmic map and portal into the diamond sun frequencies, okay? And the diamond sun is actually, when that is activated, that allows us to move through the portal of the sun into the organic universe at a like quantum level. Obviously, we're not moving through that physically, and then exist in this other reality structure through that activation, okay? So the physical sun has an appropriate diameter of 864,000 miles. The number 864 appears in both the light body geometry, which is 864 nodes, and the physical measure of the sun itself. So this is the exact point where the spiritual structure and the physical structure merge. At this meeting point, a threshold opens. This is a living portal that can be crossed into cosmic reality. Okay, so this portal allows us to cross into the higher cosmic landscape, okay, at an individual level, and those that hold that frequency can ground it into the earth plane, okay? So the number alignment is the confirmation that the spiritual design and architecture has successfully met the physical. Once the 6 fields stack reaching the 864 nodes, the diamond sun stands in direct correspondence with the actual sun. The spiritual and physical become one continuous scale. So it's a merging of cosmic energies with the physical reality. Also, the merging of pure source harmonic with the physical, okay? And then I already went into this. I'm going to say it one more time, but each diamond sun field operates on its own frequency range and within its own landscape. The 6 fields do not work together as one system. They remain independent layers. You can move into and out of them according to the level of work being done. Okay, I found that really fascinating. So there's, it's a lot more complex, and the process of moving into those is a completely different thing. We go through in the mastery school, we go through the activation of the personal diamond sun. Grandmaster is going to be one-on-one. I'm going to work with people on all these advanced levels and layers, as well as anchoring that into the New Earth template. Okay, so I'm actually looking for 12 people out of 8 billion to make it through the Grandmaster School. Okay, so I need 12 individuals that are capable, able to have the time, have the energy, have the discipline and discernment to make it through the Grandmaster School, so that we can actually anchor this fully into the planetary field. Okay, so if you are interested in that, you'll need to move through all of the schools just like everyone else. If that interests you, please reach out and we can start with an analysis. All right, sending so much love.